We're going to the gobber. I see the penguin in the ocean.
Wow, Sari there!
We're ready for the penguin.
Wow, Sari! Welcome to the roller coaster, Sari! Oh, yeah!
Hi guys, we're in Jasmine's house.
Oh, wait!
Yeah, go.
Kinuha! Mami fell down! Wow! Galing ng dancer namin!
Noble presents to you Jasmine and Aladdin.
Oh! Jasmine! May moito yan.
We wish.
Sad, you need to sing the Aladdin.
Dun, 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 dun.
Show timer talaga to.
Birthday pa eh. Hi guys, we're at lunch. We're gonna eat. So we're going to the airplane later when we eat.
Where are we going?
We're going to the gobber. Right for now, waiting for the airplane. We're in the lounge. Ready, guys? We're going. We're going to Dubai.
Finally, boarding na kami. Umabot kami. So, thank God and see you in Dubai. 3 hours before the flight, lumabas yung visa namin. So, nakapag-showtime pa tayo ng half-mat.
I know you, Sarina. You're very fabulous.
Sarina, right?
Thank you. Oh my God. We got a selfie.
Video.
Ayun na po siya, paalis na. Nahiya ako videohan siya, mukhang magalit.
Yes, we're on our way to the hotel. We're here in Dubai.
Hi guys, now we're in Dubai. The better guest is with me, John.
Jong! Si Jong! Sabi niya, guess who's with me? Jong!
Wanna see our room in the hotel?
Hi guys.
Nagbablog na siya talaga ngayon. What's that, Sari? Can I see? Oh, they gave you a camera. Ay, inubuan.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow.
Wow. Sari, do you like it? Look at the view. Look at the view.
Oh my gosh, my view.
My view.
Oh gosh, my view.
Where's the Burj Khalifa? Oh, there. Hindi makita. Ba't ganun? Sarina, what are you doing? They upgraded. Oh! They upgraded our room. Sorry, look. You can see the Burj Khalifa. That's the tallest building in the world, is it?
Hi guys, we just woke up and it's time for our surprise.
Can you fix your hair? You just woke up?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
Okay, count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's my surprise. That's my surprise. You like it? That's the surprise. We can't see Burj Khalifa because the sun is too strong.
We cannot see the Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, we cannot see the Burj Khalifa. Later we can go near and take a picture.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
It's day 1, 2.
You only have 3 days here.
Oh,
Yeah, so now we're going to eat breakfast.
okay.
Hey.
There it is.
With that, you wanna bring that? Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Go to the airport.
Uwi na. Kakarating ng uuwi na. Okay, explain bakit mamaya. Oo.
Hi guys! We're going to the airport because we iwan our stroller and our maletas.
No, we didn't leave our maletas.
That's a stroller.
Who left the stroller? Who left? Who left it? Me?
Yeah,
What's daddy?
always.
Always you.
Ano ba?
Like what happened in New York, no?
Always naiiwan yung
Stroller.
castle.
So, hi guys!
So,
What's up?
so for our first activity here in Dubai, we're going to go back to the airport to pick up our stroller. What a fun activity.
To wake up?
Huh?
Wake up?
No, we have to get our stroller.
Oh.
That's the first thing we are gonna do here
Where's
in Dubai.
the maletas?
In the room.
In the Dubai Mall. Daddy and Mommy has a surprise for me.
Kukuhanan nila kami ng buggy kasi malayo daw yung pupuntahan namin. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. He gave you something. What's that? Yeah. That's
for mommy.
Where's for Mommy? How about Mommy? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Yo guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Dubai Mall. Yes, may na-meet kami si Hamed. Siya sa mga nangangasiwa rito sa Dubai Mall. Parang siya yung nag-alaga sa amin dito. So shout out kay Hamed at sa lahat ng mga Pinoy dito nagkatrabaho na talaga sobrang accommodating nila. The best talaga yung mga Pinoy rito, as in mabait lahat. Nakikita nila talagang magaling sila magtrabaho pagdating sa pagkatrabaho. So yes, shout out sa lahat ng mga Pinoy dito sa Dubai Mall at sa Dubai, and nag-enjoy kami rito ngayon. So with Sari, are you enjoying? Pupunta kami ng sa Dubai Aquarium. Let's see kung ano makikita ni Sari na ron. Let's go!
Alagang Dubai Mall. Sabi siguro ng mga tao, sino naman yung mga yan?
But we ate already.
Where are we?
What can you see?
I can see a fish.
The fish?
What?
I'm so excited to see the penguins and the otters.
And the otters. Wow, grabe na yan, Sarina. Lakas mo, girl. Ay, sobrang excited ng bata, oh. Whoa, look at that stingray. Whoa. I think she's gonna be so amazed later. Charles. Kuya Charles from?
From Philippines also.
Where?
Cavite.
Cavite. Representing Cavite. Pumasok ko na dun. Mermaids. May mermaids. May mermaids. Wow. Ang galing, there's a mermaid experience here. Wow. Wow. Sharina will experience the mermaid. She's gonna be able to go near a mermaid, a real mermaid. Whoa, sorry there. Wow, thank you. Which one do you like?
Mirror or brush? Mirror or brush?
Thank you. Wow, wow. Back. Pose. Nag-emote pang. Tignan mo. Oh, emote. Wow, so nice. Oh, feel. Oh.
1, 2.
Ay, Sabi nyo, pose like a mermaid. Ay, kayo talaga. Oh, mermaid nga daw eh. 1, 2, mermaid! Oh! Sorry. Look! It's so nice. Wow! Tunnel.
Yeah, this one is called the Shark Cave, where most of the shark rest. And this one is our biggest fish in here. This one, her name is Sienna. We name her because we only have one of them.
Sienna.
She's around
What's her
right
name?
here. Sienna. She's a sawfish.
Sienna.
Yes. That one is not a shark. That one belongs to the ray family, like stingrays.
The animals, the
A what?
penguins.
What did you see?
I see the penguin and the otters. Hi guys, we're so excited.
Why? Where are we going?
We're going to the boat and feed the fishes.
You know that song, Sari? Baby shark, doot 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 doot. Baby shark, doot 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 doot. Baby shark, doot doot doot.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god! I feel like I'm gonna.
So guys, we are here in the Dubai Aquarium and nandito kami sa glass bottom boat. So, makikita mo lahat ng mga isda sa baba. May glass siya. So makikita mo. Ayan, so makikita mo.
That one is called Barramundi.
Maramundi. So yung mga nag-ano rito si mga Pinoy. Si Charles and si Arnold. Sa Cavite, no? From Cavite. Si Charles from Cavite and si Kuya Arnold sa
Bataan po.
Bataan.
Wow!
Saan sa Bataan? Balanga.
Sa Balanga, malapit po.
Balanga sa Balanga. Penguin encounter na. So Sarita, you're starting for penguin encounter.
We're ready!
I feel like it's gonna dance with the penguin.
No!
We're ready for the penguin.
Go!
Let's go!
After the penguins, we will meet the
Now time for the otter encounter! There! That's who we're gonna meet! We're gonna meet them! Rio! Sari, it's Rio! Wow! Wow, Sari! Good job!
One more second.
Look at mommy!
Okay. Look at mommy. Okay.
Wow! Thank you!
Binigyan sa amin kami namin ng tooth ng shark. Medyo sharp siya. So it's as a remembrance. Okay, let's go. We're on our way now to the Desert Safari Tour. And syempre nag-research kami kung ano ba yung number 1 sa Desert Safari Adventure. And of course, nakita namin yung Nobo Adventure. So number 1 siya, and kaya yun ang binok namin ngayon para mas maganda yung tour namin and mas memorable. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hep hep!
Hooray!
Hooray! Alright. Of course, we are with the best pilot. Farouk is here with us.
Say hi!
So, he will be our tour guide for today. Of course, we have Glai. Glaiza.
Our Ate Glai, our friends. from the
A friend
Philippines.
from the Philippines. But she's here na sa Dubai.
Working.
How long
Working.
na kayo
How long?
magkakilala?
Tagal na.
Since 20.
Youngsters. 2010?
10, yeah, 2010.
2010.
Ha?
Yeah.
14 years.
2010.
Grabe. Woo, let's go! And we also have
The princess. Sandstone.
Name me.
the princess Nemi.
And we also have John.
Yeah. Sad, you need to sing the Aladdin.
Dun, 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 dun.
Show timer talaga to.
I can show you the world.
A whole new world.
Okay, let's go. Oh, ang ganda!
Winnie.
Yes, like Beanie. Ang cute! How much this one?
Oh.
10?
No, 10, 30.
Ha? Grabe ka. The vlog can see you. It's expensive.
25.
Ha?
25.
25. Magkano yung 25 sa peso? Ay, gusto ni Sari.
Wanna put that?
Ay, gusto niya talaga. Yeah, for the baby. Free for the baby. Free.
See, she's
Tawa si Kuya.
Oh.
Oh, free. Oh, free. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya. Free. Oh, Jasmine. Cute.
Black and white untala.
Oh, Daddy's turn.
25.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Okay.
Roller coaster, yes. Welcome to the roller coaster, Sari. Kuya. Kuya.
Where's the camel?
Where's the camel?
See the camel?
There's a camel.
Whoa. Sarina in the roller coaster ride.
This is not a roller coaster. This is a car. No fish.
No, what?
Fish.
No, what?
Yung headrest.
Nahuhulog daw yung headdress niya.
I like the jumps.
You like it? Yes, we're in Jasmine's house. Look how beautiful it is. Kailangan natin mag-picture dyan.
Hi guys, we're in Jasmine's house.
We're in Noblecom. Noblecom.
My, look how beautiful the house, the palace of Jasmine is.
But there's no colors.
Is that colors?
Yes.
Let's take a picture here. It's so nice.
Yo, guys, after the bumpy ride, but you love it, yeah? You love the ride?
But
Like,
I'm here.
yeah, we're hilo. We are here now in Noble Camp. This is the best camp here in Dubai Desert Safari. So let's go inside. Come on.
Wow!
Wow, look at
You
that.
can take some picture with your phone with the falcon.
Oh wow, with the
After you will
falcon.
come, I will show you your table first, okay?
Okay, wow, it's so big. Amazing, right? We're gonna see someone later.
Whoa.
Are you happy? Huh?
Yes.
Aww.
Parang intense?
Si Ariel, naging si Ariel siya. Kaya ba tatlo? Can be the three of us?
Yes.
Pwede daw. Ready? Picture muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. Wait.
Wow!
Ayan. Smile! Wow! Saan to aabot? Sorry! Hawak kayo mabuti. Lean back. Woo!
Yeah, go.
Kinuha. Wait lang ba ako? Naloka ako doon sa pagbaba. Nahihilo ako. Binidyoan ko talaga. Thank you. Ganda.
I missed the part.
Oh. Mommy fell down. Was that fun? Wow, amazing! Wow! Sige! Oh, wow! This is our canapes, right? Wow! Ang galing ng dancer namin!
Fist bump. Special.
Congrats, Sari!
Special.
Di mo naman sinabing part ka ng show. Please, guys. Wow!
How much is this? 60? 60?
Magkano yun? Peso? 800? Ano?
Like it? Is there a discount? No discount?
Only 50.
Only 50? Oh, it's a main course. Let's go.
Salmon.
Can I take this?
Yes, please.
Wow. Chicken. Tenderloin steak. And pasta.
Sobrang sarap ng food. Grabe, ganda lang. Sobrang okay yung servings.
My turn.
Yeah, sir.
Hi guys, we saw the performance.
Oh, how is it?
Good.
Good? You like it? Are you going to perform?
No,
Why?
I didn't like.
I like you to perform there.
No,
She already performed kanina. Siya yung pre-show, di ba? Kita nyo naman.
I performed there.
Yeah, she did.
The guitar.
Yeah.
I forgot.
She's
Sorry.
done already. Ano ba?
Sorry, I forgot.
Siya nga pinakamadagal na nag-perform sa lahat eh.
You're the front up.
Grabe, ang sarap.
Ate, oh. Hi, ate. Hi, ate Jo.
You see later, ha? The belly dance.
Kabayan!
Bye.
Hello po.
Hello.
Batiin niyo po yung family niyo.
Yung family ko sa Pilipinas, pati yung anak ko. Sa Paranaque.
Paranaque.
Pangalan.
Kala, sa Pilipinas, yung anak ko, si Shani, at ang mga apo ko.
Wow!
8 sila.
Wow! Dam.
Mag-perform.
4 years. Wow. Thank you.
Taga noon time show. Punta kayo dito sa Noble Camp.
Yes.
Showtime. #1 noon time show sa Philippines.
Yes.
Welcome kayo dito sa Noble Camp. Mag-enjoy ka dito.
Thank you. Yeah, so, pinili namin, binook namin dito is yung VIP, Platinum VIP. So, maganda yung seat na nasa front kayo. Makitang-kita niyo yung mga nagsishow ng malinaw, ng malapit. And then, may sarili kong butler, may sariling waiter na mag-aasikaso sa'yo. Tapos, kung anong gusto mong food, sasabihin mo lang sa kanila, anong gusto mong drinks. And then, pinakamaganda rito, hindi ka napipila rin sa buffet. Sila na mismo yung magdadala ng pagkain dito. So, napaka-relax. Kung gusto mo mag-relax lang, after mga sun dunes, hindi kang mupo na lang dito and mag-relax. Galing. The best. Let's go to the Noble Camp.
Get ready to see and live the story. Noble presents to you Jasmine and Aladdin.
When the winds from the east and the sun's from the west and the
Jasmine!
stars light, come dance
Sorry, she said hi to you.
to another Arabian night.
Oh! Jasmine and Aladdin! She's a big fan!
Hello.
Are you happy?
Happy.
Huh?
I told you this is Jasmine's house.
Yeah, she told you. She told you. My gosh! What? What did you say?
Thank you.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Now it's time for a fire show, okay?
So far.
Yeah.
Fire show?
Fire show.
And enjoy the show.
Okay. Thank you.
She said hi to you.
What an experience for us, and especially Sarina, first time in Dubai.
Saya si Daddy.
It's the best experience ever with Noble Adventure. Yeah!
Going home. Going back to the hotel. Who had so much fun? Nagpunta kayo sa Ferrari.
Oh, buti ka pinapasok kami sa Outrack eh.
Sorry po. Kala ko susukat sa iiyak din sa
Natuwahin sa
Saan?
desert.
Sa?
Sa desert.
Oo, super happy siya.
Natuwa siya.
May pa Burj Khalifa viewing. Ang picture. Ano na?
Kasi ako nag-iPhone.
Ayan na. Burj Khalifa. Bangkal represent.
Wala, hindi ko. Setting muna. Hindi ko alam po.
The shy type.
Setting ko.
The best view of Burj Khalifa.
Hi guys, we're here in Burj Khalifa. It's the tallest building in the world.
Yeah, second day, Dubai Mall again.
Dubai Mall.
Bye, Mom. Hi.
Look at her. She's so well behaved. You're so cute. You're just waiting for us. Huh? Can you be like that the whole day?
Yeah, yo, what's up, Badlam people? We are with the big boys from Dubai, Jonathan and his wife, Julia, and in his son, the cutie Houston.
Sorry.
Sorry, of course. Yeah, they work here already. So, ilang taon ka na rito? 8 years. 8 years. 8 years na sila rito sa Dubai.
Wow.
From Singapore, work sila rito sa Dubai.
Oh, parang ang tagal hindi nagkita. Oh, ang ganda.
Joseph is the Emirati of
Of the street boy. Thank you po. Thank you, Puma. Puma Dubai Mall.
Kababayan is the best. Kababayan is the best.
Alagang Pilipino.
Siya po ay konsihal ng Makati. Pinaanak ko ang anak niya. Tinatawag ko na po ang aking kasama, John Hilario.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. John Hilario, our stand-up king!
hotel, si Mayor Abby Binay, dahil isang dahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon. Kasama si Sarina. Bye everyone! Mabuhay ang mga Pinoy! Mabuhay ang mga Filipino! And thank you! We love you, love you guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel. Galing kami sa Better Makati segment for Shukran Festival. Of course, Mayor Abby. Napagod sa kakakaway. What's up guys? So, later na yung flight namin pabalik sa Manila. Kain muna kami. Balik na, back to reality, back to work. At least, marami kaming napasayahan ni Sarina doon sa Alriga gabi. So, special shoutout kay Mayor Abby. Nagdala sa amin dito para napakita sa mga Pinoy dito yung Better Makati. Yes, I'm sure nabitin sila sa sample ko kagabi. So hopefully makabalik kami dito para makapag-perform talaga kami. Hopefully with the Street Boys. No? And so yun, boses ko medyo bumabalik-balik yun. Medyo bitin yung pag-stay rito dahil konting oras lang yung allowed sa trip namin. Pero hopefully makabalik. And hopefully makapag-perform para sa mga Pinoy rito sa Dubai. So yes, thank you mga kabayan. Tumanggap sa amin na napakainit kagabi sa Alriga. So ingat kayo palagi and we love you more. Dahil sa ganong paraan, kahit pa paano napasayas namin sila. I'm sure namimiss na nila ang Pilipinas. Mahirap mag-work na malayo sa pamilya. So kahit pa paano, napangiti namin sila kahit na sandaling oras. Sobrang nagulat ako talaga na talagang maraming nagmamahal din kay Sarina. So yeah, thank you. Thank you Dubai. Hope to see you again soon. God bless you. And mag-ingat kayo palagi.
Wow, thank you!
Sorry,
I'm watching your video.
Time for my book.
Hey.
We're having lunch.
You having lunch?
Where?
We're having lunch in the cafe.
In the cafe.
With?
Background of water. We also have the fountain.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
And the girls can start dating.
Okay. Birds.
And very
Nice.
ice cream.
Your favorite?
What's your favorite flavor?
Vanilla.
Wait.
Thank you, Joe's Cafe, for my ice cream.
Thank you. Ito yung the best place para makita niyo yung fountain show. And yung Burj Khalifa, ito yung pinakamagandang view. Ito yung pinakamagandang pwesto. So, laging puno to, especially sa gabi. So, yeah. Thank you for accommodating us.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
I'm with Maiya and Sarina.
Sister, we're in the car.
Okay, so we're here at the Museum of the Future. Sarina's ate.
Ayan o.
Ay, ang cute.
Cheese.
Diba? The Street Girls. Ang cute. Ang ganda.
So, we're here at the Museum of the Future. Ang sabi ni Sarina, what is it? It looks like?
It looks like a circle. So fun with you. Sarina.
Hi. Sige pa.
Hindi.
Hindi po. Sorry, come here.
Mommy, it's good food.
Oh, here. Choose. Which one do you like?
Grips.
Huh?
Grips.
Oh, look, there's rambutan. It's already filled.
So hi guys, we're here and I'm eating banana lychee.
Lychee? Is that lychee?
Yeah.
It's not lychee, Sari. Tell us what that is. No?
Starbucks.
Starbucks? What is it?
It's my favorite.
What?
Rambutan.
No. How about that one? Yeah.
Melon.
Okay, the next one.
Watermelon.
The other one. The one with the buto. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
You said it kanina. It's...
Yung.
Thank you po. Thank you. Sorry, sit properly.
Naging ganun kabibo.
Meet Boss Chris. Si Boss Chris. Basta po. Na kami sa board. Oh, sige na. One more. Okay. Sige na, microphone kita.
Video yan, video.
Sige na play.
Be better.
Okay. Okay, go. Tana.
Wow!
It's hot. You're most welcome. Happy UA Day.
We have a pork chop and we also have fruits. We have a bread and dessert.
Yo, this trip is powered by Big Sky Travel Wi-Fi.
Christmas!